I'll start a new file. Open part file, new part file. Start a sketch on the front plane and just draw these two perpendicular lines. Make sure they meet at the origin. I go into a drawing, dimension them to 23.75 plus 51.25. It is total of 75 millimeters total. The vertical one is 50 millimeters. We put a fillet, sketch fillet of 16.75. That's where the pipe turns. You get like a soft turn for the pipe. I'll close the sketch. Now we go to reference geometry, create a new plane. First reference will be the horizontal line. Second reference will be the point on the line, the first point of the line. Now make a sketch on this new plane. Create two circles. One 57.5 or 20 diameter. Next one is 25. Exit the sketch. Now use the sweep boss feature. The sketch is already selected, so just select that path. There your preview is there, and now you just confirm you got your first feature. Hide the plane. You're gonna create a new sketch on that same plane. Number 2, create a circle. Dimension 57.5. Select this other one circle, convert entities. This will make this circle part of our current sketch. Now make another circle, construction circle. This is for the ball circle diameter. It's going to mark where the holes are going to be. Base with dimension to 47.5. Mark for construction. Now you can make 4 holes of the same diameter of 5. We just make the other ones randomly. Now select all 4 and give them an equal relation. That makes them all 5. And since they are positioned on a quadrant of the circle, they will be fully defined already. There's a sketch. Now close this. Now extrude. The sketch will be selected. There's a preview. You extrude into 5 millimeters. Blind. There's the next feature. Now apply a chamfer of 0.5 by 45 degrees just to get rid of the sharp edges. Thank you, that's beautiful. It's coming out just fine. Now you make a sketch on this face. Number 2. Select the rectangle tool. Make a square rectangle of 50 by 50. 50. make another rectangle. This we're gonna keep construction just to position the holes. For this, we're gonna make that 40 by 40. There, mark that for construction. Now put 4 circles at the corner of this construction circle. That will be the location of the holes. The hole will be diameter 5. The first one is diameter 5. The other ones we can just make them randomly. After this, we're going to select all 4 and give them an equal relation. That will make them equal, and they're already positioned, so their sketch will be fully defined. Beautiful. Now select the center and the circle in the center, convert entities to bring it to our current sketch. Now I can close this and extrude. Our extrusion depth is blind 5 millimeters. Going the other direction, change switch direction, 5 millimeters, everything's 100. Now we'll also put our chamfer there to get rid of the sharp edge, 0.5 at 45 degrees. Beautiful. Now we'll just put some fillets in the corners of this feature, also to take out the sharp edges. This will be 5 radius. So let's select these 4 edges. Lovely. We're almost there. Now we'll create a new plane. Go to reference geometry. Just a new plane. First reference will be the top plane. And we'll move it up by 28.75. Okay, so we just sketch on this plane. Now I'm just going to draw a bunch of circles here. You'll see it's going to come together very soon. We're trying to get that shape there. The first circle, 15 diameter. Second circle, 20 diameter. That will be the diameter of the pipe coming down. Third circle will turn into arc, but we're gonna do the whole thing and select contours when we are extruding. This will be diameter of 25 or radius 12.5. Those are circles. Now let's give them, let's position them by dimension. That will be 23.75 from the front of the pipe. Also, we need to give it a relation to the origin of horizontal relation to the. Now it's fully defined. Let's put one construction line to the center. This will position our next circles. Make sure line is vertical. Now put more circles at the ends of this line. Another set of circles, slightly bigger. Now let's dimension. The first circle, 5 diameter. The second circle, 10 diameter or radius 5. Let's look at the second circle, diameter of 10. Now select the inner circle and the inner circle and give them a relation of equal. Now this outside circle and the outside circle, make them equal. Now let's get the space between. By dimensioning that construction line, you're going to get a distance between the 2 circles. That's the reason why we put this construction line in there. It will be 35 millimeters. It's fully defined. Now we just need to get those tangent lines joining the two circles. The line there. Sometimes it comes tangent on its own. When it doesn't, you just come back and put the tangent relation on it. There's your line there. Another line. Another one. Last one. and you're done. Now just go back and add all the relation to make them all tangent. Select the line, select the circle, tangent. You'll repeat this again, line and a circle. Make the tangent. Again, circle, line, or you remove the dead line. Right, you got it, tangent. Okay, with the other circle as well. Select the line, the circle, tangent. One more, line, outside circle, tangent. Now it's fully defined. Now we're gonna extrude. It looks messy, but if you select the contours, see it comes out just perfect. So you select that area, this area, from one side coming in. See how easy it is. Select that, and that. Beautiful. Change direction. Extrude to 3.73. Lovely. Now we are going to reuse the sketch now to do another extrusion for the pipe coming down. Select the extrude, pick the sketch from the drop down list, select contours, switch direction, say end condition up to surface, and click the pipe. There, yeah, beautiful. Now let's do an extrude cut. Use the same sketch again. Select your contours, the inner side part of the circle. Again, go and condition up to surface. Now select the inside of the pipe. That will cut the pipe now. Take a look. Oh, that's lovely. That's just great. Last but not least, this pipe sticking out on this side. For this, we need to create a plane. Go to reference geometry, select plane. First reference will be the right plane. And the distance from this plane would be 36.25 millimeters. The offset. This will be 36.25. This is our new plane, fully defined. Now make a sketch on this plane. Make two circles, 15, second one is 20. That's lovely. Now make sure the center of the circle with the origin, horizontal relation, vertical, sorry. Dimension from the top, 17.5 millimeters. Close sketch. Extrude up to surface. Change direction and condition up to surface. Pick the surface of the pipe. Thank you. Now extrude cut. Use the same sketch again from the drop list. The sketch is going to be, select the sketch, switch the contour, get the inner part of the sketch now. That right there, and up to surface. Now pick the inner surface of the pipe will get cut. Beautiful. Guide the plane. Now let's just get some fillets in here, and we are done. Just put some fillets there now. Oh, whichever. Fresh up edge. Actually missed another one there. That's done. Now for the fillets. All the fillets as per drawing are 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. Select that edge, this edge, this edge, that edge, and that edge, and we are done. Thank you very much. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.